Thinking of getting a pre-built gaming PC, but not sure if it's actually worth the money? Today, we're checking out the iBUYPOWER Element SE, and I'll show you not just how it performs, but also how to set it up properly right out of the box. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into honest reviews and helpful tech guides, you're in the right place. Now, for this video, the first part will be a full review of the iBUYPOWER Element SE gaming PC, and the second part will be a step-by-step setup guide. So if you're planning to buy one, you'll know exactly what to expect from unboxing to first boot. Let's start with the design. The Element SE has that classic gaming PC look: tempered glass side panel, RGB lighting, and a clean front panel. It's not overly flashy, but it still looks good on a desk setup. Build quality feels solid for a pre-build. The cable management inside is decent. Not perfect, but definitely cleaner than most budget pre-builds. Now, performance will depend on the exact configuration you get, but most Element SE models come with a mid-range CPU and GPU combo, something like an Intel Core i5 or Ryzen 5 paired with an RTX 3050 or 3060. For 1080p gaming, this setup handles most modern games pretty well. You can expect smooth gameplay on high settings for titles like Warzone, Fortnite, or Apex Legends. For heavier AAA games, you might need to tweak settings a bit, but overall, performance is solid for the price. Cooling is actually decent. The included fans do a good job keeping temperatures under control during normal gaming sessions. However, under heavy load, you will hear the fans ramp up. It's not extremely loud, but definitely noticeable. One of the good things about this PC is that it's upgrade friendly. You can easily add more RAM, upgrade your GPU, or add extra storage in the future. That's a big plus if you're planning to use this system long term. Pros: solid 1080p gaming performance, clean design with RGB lighting, upgradable components, good for beginners who don't want to build a PC. Cons: can be a bit pricey compared to building your own. Average cooling under heavy load. Some configurations may have limited storage. So far, the iBUYPOWER Element SE is a solid entry to mid-level gaming PC. It's not the cheapest option, but it offers convenience and decent performance right out of the box. Part 2. Setup Guide. When you open the box, you'll typically find the PC itself, power cable, and sometimes basic manuals. Make sure to remove any protective foam inside the case before turning it on. This is very important. Step 1. Position your PC. Place the PC on a flat, stable surface with good airflow. Avoid putting it directly against walls or inside tight spaces. Step 2. Connect cables. Plug in the power cable. Connect your monitor, HDMI or DisplayPort. Plug in your keyboard and mouse. Connect Ethernet or prepare your Wi-Fi setup. Step 3. First boot. Turn on the PC using the power button. On first startup, you'll go through the Windows setup process. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Step 4. Update everything. Once you're on the desktop, update Windows, install the latest GPU drivers, and check for any system updates. This step is important for performance and stability. Step 5. Install your games and apps. Now you're ready to install your favorite games: Steam, Epic Games, or whatever platform you use. Extra tip: if you want better performance, consider upgrading your RAM to at least 16 gigabytes if your unit comes with less. So, is the iBUYPOWER Element SE worth the price? If you want a hassle-free gaming PC that works right out of the box, yeah, it's worth considering. But if you're comfortable building your own PC, you might get better value for your money. So what do you think? Would you go for a pre-built like this, or build your own PC instead? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future reviews and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.